a simple life, something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms in North Carolina. Today I'll be showing you one of the many ways we use our little Johnny Bucket Jr. And that's by showing off how we use these forks to get wood from one part of our property to another. I've got a 16-footer, which granted is a little wide to be carrying sideways, but we're going to be putting in a new antenna tower over on the back side of the building here. And I'm going to, instead of trying to straddle a 16-footer all the way along and out the back and whatnot, I'm just going to lay it across here. And that's really what we use it for mostly, is that we're just taking items that we can carry sideways and carry it up. It's great for T-posts, it's great for stuff like that. So let's do it. All right, here we are down here at what we call the lumber yard, right? This is all cullwood that we've accumulated over the years. And I've got these 16-footers that I'm going to load up onto this thing and take it up the driveway to where we need it to be built. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So there you go, just another cool use for the Johnny Bucket Jr. with the optional forks. I'm really loving this upgraded version of the Johnny Bucket. I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can find all these products and the proper fitment for your tractor. Till next time, my friends, take care.